This is how to install a WordPress theme on your website. Now, after you have logged in into the admin area of your WordPress website, then you will find a 3 horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. You click on it. After clicking on it, you go to appearance. Get to appearance, you find themes there. Then what do? You click on themes. You click on themes. Then after it has loaded, you will find the themes page. This is the page for themes. Now, on this website, I have installed WordPress themes already. Now, let me tell you something about some pre-installed WordPress themes. You can see 2019, 2025, 2024, 2021, and all that. Those are pre-installed WordPress themes. Those themes were designed and developed by those people who made the WordPress software. So those themes are also very good, but you can decide to use another WordPress theme designed by other set of people. So that is what you can see on top. The first one at the top is always the theme that is already in use. You can see spacious is the theme that is already in use on this website. I can decide to change it. If you want to change it, you can click on 2019 or click on 2025. But what I want to show you now is how to install a new theme onto your WordPress website. So you click on add theme. You click on add theme. Then after it has loaded, you can see this page. On this page, you can just put in a keyword to search. For example, if I want to design an e-commerce website, that means I will probably need an e-commerce WordPress themes. If you want to design a website for travel, want to design a website for books, to sell books for bookstores, you can just type bookstore here. So let me, for example, I want to design an e-commerce website. Then it will load examples of themes that are in the WordPress database. Now, the themes that are here are themes that are in the WordPress database. They have been checked, and security wise they are okay, because it can be very dangerous if you bring in a theme that have been compromised. So you can see it has given you a lot of examples: e-commerce, Woodex e-commerce, e-commerce shop, and all of that. So you have to pick an example, the one that you want. You see, when you click on, let me, for example, I want to install this first one. What you do is that you click on it. After clicking on it, you can see it will first of all show you first and foremost, you see the ratings, because it's important you check ratings. Some people have used it and they have given their ratings, so you check the ratings. This is a 4.5 star rating, and then but only by 3 people. So those things are very, very important. So you can decide to go for another WordPress theme that has a lot of people that have rated it above 4 to 5 star rating. So, but that may not really matter. You just have to check the details. You can see the details here. You read the details. If this detail is good for you, is what you want, then you can just decide to install. You can see install here. Then you click on install, and it will continue to install. So after, you can see it is already installed. Now look at the next thing on the button here: activate. It means you can decide to activate immediately. When you activate immediately, then it will replace the existing WordPress theme that is already in use. It will replace it immediately. But you can decide to activate, or you may not activate. After you are done with this, you can just click on here, and can just click on this. So I did not activate it because I don't want to change the already WordPress theme that I'm using already. Now you can see activate again here, and you can see live preview. Live preview means when you click on it, it will show what your website is going to look like, the appearance of your website. You are just previewing it. So that is how to install a WordPress theme. Now you can, after you have done that, you can just come back here to the three dots. You can just come back to the three dots and go back to appearance and themes. On that themes page, you will find the themes that we have just installed. Find the themes that we have just installed. Let me go back to it. You find the theme that is already installed. Now let us look at it. Theme is already installed on the page. You can see it. E-commerce, it's already there. But I'm not going to activate it because I love the theme that I'm using presently. This is just a tutorial. But anytime you want to change it, you can just come to the themes page, click on it, and activate. Is that okay? So that is how to install a WordPress themes. Now, let me tell you, if you want to check the theme that is in existence on your website, you can just come here, click on this, and visit the site. When you visit the site, you'll be able to, this is the theme that you can see the appearance. This is the theme that we are using. That's the appearance. If I change the theme, you can also go there to check again, to check the theme that is in existence. Is that okay? So that is how to install a WordPress theme.